Saw your picture in a diner glass, edges torn and colors gone. Like every town I passed on by, that faith before I moved along. The train was wailing through the hills like it knew the hurt I hide. 100 towns behind me now, still can't leave you behind. 'Cause I'm miles away and I can't go back. My boots are worn, my heart's off track. The sky turns red, the nights grow cold. I miss your hand, I miss your hold. But I'm long gone, yeah, I'm miles away. Passed across on a rusted post where the highway cracked and bled. A bar with shutters hanging loose in a town that up and fled. White lines hum beneath my feet like they're singing me a hymn. But there ain't no peace in moving on when I can't remember when. I'm miles away with a lonesome sound. The whistle cries when the sun goes down. I carry your face in a photo fold. Your name's the fire when the wind gets cold. Still I'm out here, yeah, I'm miles away. The rain comes soft through prairie light like a hymn on chapel stone. I lit a smoke near a BP sign, felt more empty than alone. I'd turn around if I could stand the look I know you'd give. But the road don't care for reckoning, it just tells you how to live. Now I'm miles away and I can't unwind the thread I pulled when I left you behind. My coat is thin, my faith is frayed, and I still whisper your